What is up, y'all? Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to take you through a full day of eating. I'm also going to give you some additional tips pertaining to things that I do in my daily routine that would also help you on a weight loss journey or just a general fitness journey if that's what you're on. Now I'm eating about 3,400 calories as I try to get a little bit leaner here. I wonder if I can. So if you stay and watch to the end of the video, you're going to know every single meal that I'm eating in order to lose fat as quickly as possible. All right, let's get into it. So I've been trying to have a little bit of a new habit each morning, and that's meditating. So I put this 10-minute guided meditation on that I found on YouTube, and I get myself comfortable while I sit there and I try to adhere to the directions in it as best as possible. Now I'm really new to meditating, and I've been trying to get into it for a while, but I'm not really successful at it. So I found the best thing to do so far is to just find one guided meditation that really works for you and then keep repeating it. So far, I've been keeping this habit up for a few weeks. Then the next thing I do is take my supplement stack before I go and do some fasted cardio. So I'll share that with you right now. One of the things that I really love to take while I'm cutting is this product from Satori called Lipodrex because it helps a lot with appetite control. I also take L-carnitine because it's one of the most well-studied fat loss supplements, and this amino grow has some BCAAs in it as well as some other things. I was super tired when filming these clips first thing in the morning. But now it's off to cardio. So I'll share with you my entire fat loss cardio regimen right now. So right now in the morning, I'm doing 30 minutes of fasted cardio. And then when I go and work out, I will do 30 minutes of fasted cardio after my strength training. On rest days, I'm doing more cardio in the morning, staying active throughout the day. And then I'm also doing some additional cardio in the late afternoon. So now it's time to get into meal one. So for meal one, I like to have some oatmeal with pineapple and a little bit of coconut sugar. And then I'm also going to mix up 2 scoops of the Satori Eat Smart MRP meal replacement shake because 2 scoops is the full dose. So after the cardio and the first meal, what I'll typically do is shower, get fresh, then make my way to the gym afterward. What we're going to be doing today for pre-workout is Satori Morph X5. It's one of my favorites, right, for the fact that it has a full dose, 6 grams citrulline malate for an amazing pump. Also a full gram of nitrosigine, which adds a bit of extra vascularity, right? So 2 of my favorite things when training is if in my session I can get an amazing pump and look really vascular, right? So favorite pre-workout for that. If you want to go try this or any other Satori products out, do a code JORDY, and don't forget I'm going to do a full unboxing video soon as well. So we went to the gym and hit a push day, and now for meal 2, the post-workout meal, we're using 2 full servings of pasta, 130 grams of ground beef, and also 1 serving of sauce. Full macros and calories are on the screen. In the afternoon, I headed to some local stairs here to get a little bit of extra cardio in. Then we head home to prepare meal 3. Today we have this delicious plate of air fryer fries and chicken bites. It's a huge plate, fills you right up. There's less than 1,000 calories and more than 70 grams of protein. Now, believe it or not, that actually will fit most people's macros when they're trying to lose fat or gain muscle. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to make this. So I tried to make this meal into a little bit of a recipe for you guys. What I did is cut up the chicken, then threw some barbecue sauce on it, a little bit of this roasted garlic and pepper seasoning, and salt. And then with the fries, obviously I'm going to cut these potatoes into fries. Then put them in a bowl, mix them together with just a little bit of olive oil and some other spices. So I'll show you guys exactly what all the spices are. We're using cayenne pepper, paprika, onion powder, curry powder, of course pink Himalayan salt, and garlic. All you're going to do is toss it all together with your olive oil in a bowl and then throw her into the air fryer for whatever time your air fryer says fries take. Mix everything around on the chicken with a spoon, make sure it's nice and thawed, and then throw her into the air fryer to do the same thing. And there you have it. High volume, healthy air fryer fries with chicken bites. And pretty much just couldn't help myself from digging in immediately. Believe it or not, this meal will help you lose fat or build muscle, whatever your goals are. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more videos like this with meals that taste amazing that will absolutely help you burn fat and build muscle. If you ever got any questions about how to personalize something like this for your own personal macronutrient and or calorie needs, the easiest way to get a hold of me is to hop over to my Instagram and just shoot me a direct message. I'd love to help you out if you have any questions. I'll be sure to include a link at the bottom of this video here with a link to my Instagram page so that if anyone wants to do that, they can absolutely do that. But thanks a lot for the channel. We are over 1,000 subscribers. Super grateful to everyone that's contributing to the channel's growth. Really love to, you know what I mean, be able to interact with you guys this way. Really, really grateful for everyone that is checking us out. And if you, again, want to see anything specific, just drop a comment here. Let me know exactly what it is. Of course, we got the Coke Zero Caffeine, Zero Sugar, and then also the healthy fries and healthy chicken bites, both from the air fryer. Ooh, delicious. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's everything I ate throughout the course of the day. I'm recording this part a little bit before I eat the last little bit because I try not to be very strict when I diet because, you know, it's happened to me a lot of times in the past where I have been really strict with my diet for quite extended periods of time and it wasn't as enjoyable or as easy to stick to. So, you know, today everything was just put together as we go. As it stands, I got about 700 or 900, I think 900 calories left. And I think only 40 is needing to go to protein. So like if you're not aware, it's 4 calories per gram. So that just means 160 calories, which means I still got like a 600-700 calorie snack, we'll call it. Now for this, what I'll try to do is hold out until later at night. And I mean, you'll see what it is. Really quickly, comment what you think my last snack of the day is going to be, and what I'll do is whoever I pick as the winner, I'll pick one winner at random, and I'm going to give them one product from my sponsor, Fit Life Brands. So it could be any product, but based on what I currently have, I'm thinking I'll give you a pre-workout. I've got stim free, high stim. We'll figure it all out. So yeah, comment below and then we'll go from there. I just want to give you guys like a little bit of info so you could see some more of the different food choices, some things that are less restrictive, have more favorable macros, stuff like that. But yeah, I'll be producing more content for the channel over the next little while. I'm pretty busy with a few different things, right? I'm running a couple companies while I do this. Currently right now, I'm saying about 193 pounds, 194 pounds. I think I want to drop that down to about 185. So that's my goal for the next little bit, get down to 185, maybe below, even down to 180. And here I am having my last snack of the night, which I'll walk you through exactly what it is.
Well, folks, where I grew up, always tried
To hit my protein goal, I'm going to have a couple scoops of this tri-packed vegan protein from Nutrology. You can see that they are soy and gluten-free, sugar-free. There's no artificial colors or flavors. They're organically sourced plant proteins with no artificial hormones either. This is another company I have a discount for, so use code JORDY with Nutrology if you like. And what I did was had some of these red velvet Oreos with rice cakes to make it a higher volume snack. Yeah, basically, I just hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions or whatever, future ones, sure love to hear them. Let me know. Drop down in the comments. If you're not on my Instagram already, make sure you get over there because there's where a lot of other stuff goes as well. And if you ever need to have any questions answered or whatever, you need any advice with your fitnessy, nutrition, workout stuff, whatever, go to the gram, right? Go right on over to Instagram. Shoot me a message over there. There's no way for the message here. Aside from that, appreciate you. Thanks for sticking around and have a great day.